Log into the 711Proxy website. Click Proxy Setup and API. In the left sidebar, select Residential Proxies. Select API. Add the local address to the whitelist before API access. Click Add Now. Confirm adding whitelist. Choose a plan type. Select country/region. Setting the number of proxies to generate. Selecting proxy protocols, formats, and separator. Click to generate. Open link. API obtained successfully, you can start using. Click on the icon in the upper right corner and then select Settings. In the left sidebar, tap System. In the Open Your Computer Proxy Settings line, click on the right icon. Turn on the Use Proxy Server button. Paste copied proxy information. Click Save. The proxy configuration is complete. Thanks for watching.